So let me show you how to redeem Cnfans credit. So after you open up now the product you want to redeem with your credit on your Cnfan, just tap on this share button to copy the product code. So tap on this share button. Now I copy the tap on this copy. Now I copy the product link. So now close the Cnfan and open a notepad on your mobile phone. So after you open the notepad, now paste in the link. So from the link now you can just go ahead now and copy the product code. So the product code is started from this, as you can see now, are 12 letters. It started from this platform. As you can see now, you'll be able to see platform at the middle. So under the platform there is this, and so delete all the numbers behind the platform. So I will delete all these numbers behind the platform under the platform. So here is the number. So I will delete the above numbers again. So I will just go ahead now and delete this one again. So and delete this equality sign as well. So now here is now the product code. After you copy the product code like this, now go back and open the Cnfan. After you open the Cnfan, now close this product section and go to your profile at the bottom right side. After you open your profile, go to this credit. So now tap on this redeem product. Now enter the product code. So from this option, now tap on this redeem. If you have enough credit, it will allow you now to buy the product with your credit. And that's it, guys.